That was windy, huh? Anyway, I'm still in Moro. I got here earlier this afternoon. Sorry, I'm trying to get this out of my way. Anyway, and I'm really glad I didn't keep going because the winds are like 20 plus miles an hour. Miles? 20? Yeah, they're windy. Even though I've got the stabilizers down, this thing is rocking and rolling. Yeah, I'm just going to step out. Woo! Wow. I keep hearing something back here. I don't know if you can hear me, but I kept hearing, oh, I know what it is. This thing here is loose. But I kept hearing something banging. There. Take care of it. Wow, wow, wow. Windy. Alright, let's go take a look at the showers. I'm not sure where the mic is on this thing. Wind is bad. Oh, nice. This is super nice. They've got soaps and hand cream. Wow, look at the showers. Wow, wow, wow. How nice. These are big and they are very, very clean. Wow. Well, that's good to know. Okay, so this is, well, I'll put a link up there. But yeah, very nice. Sherman, let's see, it's Sherman County RV Park. Wow. And it was $20 a night, and that includes water, sewer, electricity, and Wi-Fi for $20. Pretty good. Got a heater up there. All right, let's go face the wind again. And I think I'll get my shower stuff together and come take a quick shower. Look at that. Try and step somewhere where I'm not directly in the wind. Very nice, very quiet place. Very clean. Pretty mountains. Clouds. Alright, and there's me and my rig. Trying to block the wind. Man, oh man. It's blustery. Back in here. Okay, so I'm going to grab my stuff and go take my shower. And no, you are not coming along. I'll be back later. Bye. Shower felt good. Good water pressure. Got nice and warm. And I was able to get in there and get my hair washed, which it needed. And the wind is just whipping, as you can tell by the curtains. Anyway, so yeah, I like this park. If I'm ever back this way, I will come back. And I think right now I'm going to fix myself some dinner. I don't even know what time it is. 3:26. Maybe I'll wait a little bit. So yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to don't even know how to say it. I know my mother-in-law corrected me many times. It's Elcleum, Elicleum. Anyway, so tomorrow I'll be there tomorrow night, and then I'll go on to my daughter's house in Seattle, Washington the next day. And I know I have done this trip from Redmond to Seattle in one day, but I wasn't pulling a trailer, and it wasn't this windy, and if it was, you couldn't tell it just driving the truck. But pulling a trailer, being new at it, I'm still a little nervous about it. So I'm just going to try and keep it at 100, 150 miles a day. So I just don't burn out, and I'm not in any hurry. The day I get to my daughter's, then the next day is when I pick up Judy. So I've got time to dink around. If I get to Elcleum, or however it's pronounced, and I'm doing okay, I may keep going. I'm not sure. Highly doubt it though, if it's real windy like it is now. Of course, I did check the highway app that I've got that shows wind speed. It should only be 5 miles an hour tomorrow at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, whenever I'm getting ready to leave. So I should be okay. But again, I don't want to overdo it until I'm more used to driving the truck, pulling a trailer. So, all right, that's it for today. I am going to try and get some more videos uploaded. I'm behind quite a bit, and I'll be back with you tomorrow on my journey to whatever the name of that place is that I'm going. Hi. Just thought I'd check back in. It's been about an hour since I was taking my shower and whatnot, and the winds have picked up even more. And I'm going to set this camera down, pointed out the window, so you can kind of see what's going on. Yeah, it's rocking pretty good. It's last time I checked, they said the wind speed was 25 mile an hour gusts, which I'm really glad I'm not driving in this. Anyway, yeah, and this trailer is just rocking like crazy. Maybe I'll get lucky and it'll rock me to sleep. Anyway, toodles. I feel like I need tie downs to hold my trailer down. And I've got my hand up against the wall of the trailer so that I hold it steady. So any movement that you see is movement from the trailer moving. Ooh, that was a big one. Anyway. Alright, I'm going to make me some dinner. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.